Alright, so I didn't hit pause. I just stopped the video. But I'm back. Not by popular demand though. I had to go get my magnet. Check the timing chain. I wonder which one it is. It's new though. I need a bigger table. Vortex. So it's decent, but it's not the best. And we try to do the best around here. I am a Yz250 fan. They have been very good to me. My last bike that I built, that thing was a beast. Which I actually still have that bike. That was the other Yamaha. This is a 2007 Yz250f. The last video of the motors being built was a 2003 Yz250. And then I've got one of my best friends, very good friend, he's like a brother to me, he really is. That over there is his motor. That's a 2004 Yz250f. So we're trying to scoop them up. So if you got them, holler at me. Come play in the dirt with us. Throw that in there. Now the scary part. I'm hoping that the cylinder's still good, but I'm keeping it back in my head that it ain't. So. Oh, that thing's on there. God, Jimmy. Oh, and with the music, I'm not a Screamo fan. I've got a bunch of buddies that are though. Just, if I can't understand it, I don't want to listen to it. But now there are some out there that you can hear and you can actually understand what they're saying, and it's not bad work. Some of that stuff's pretty good. But I can't do the Screamo, not a lot of it. It's funny, I have a brother named Josh and a best friend named Josh that is like a brother. And if I'm not mistaken, my stepbrother Josh, he actually listens to Screamo, and I think my other buddy Josh listens to Screamo too. Uh-oh, gasket. Keep that. Oh, dang. Well, there's the problem. Well, one of the problems in this motor. So, looks like the rod is broke. So, cylinder skirt, yeah, there you go, like somebody bit it, is broke. This side is broke. Lord have mercy. We might be okay there. I don't even know if I can get this crap out of here. Yeah, it's broke. Okay, so I don't kind of winner. Y'all know King. No wait, not this one. Where's that other crank there? Oh. Well, anyway, this is a Hot Rods crank. This is the one that came out of my 03. Technically, this is my bike too right here. Me and Josh went and picked this up last night from South Carolina. Cool guy I bought it from, by the way. I don't know if he might be watching or not, but cool guy, quick sell, no problems. Dude told me exactly what he thought was wrong with it. He said he didn't know if it was a broke gear inside the clutch side or if the crank had exploded, basically. And, well, not exploded, but the crank exploded. This is out of my old one. It was actually locked up, but I beat hell out of it and it come free. It's not any good though. the bearings in it are gone. So maybe we can replace it and press it and reuse the weights. So hit my buddy Mikey up about that. See if he'll handle that for me. Hello, what you want? Bobby, I got oil all over my hand. You don't care. I know. Plus, it's safe for use around people and pets when used as people friendly. Now at a store near you. Okay, no. Okay. Oh, wait, no, shake. Hey, you boys. Can I finish doing this? Can you give me like 5 or 10 more minutes? Huh? What? Oh my God. Okay, give me 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. I got you. We'll go outside in just a minute. Hold on. But technically that's the video I want to do. I'm gonna try to get this out without having to split the case right now. I gotta split it either way, but it's in there. It's broke. The crank rod is actually this way, and the crank is right here. So, yeah, the piston's even got a chunk taken out of it right here. So, but from what I can see, the crank just come apart. I'm trying to see what brand it is, because it's an aftermarket crank. I think it's a hot rod. I'm not sure. Wait, hold on. But luckily they didn't bust the cases, so we're cool there. Okay, so 2007 Yz250f, another crank. Haven't decided yet what I want to put in it because I have Josh's motor over there. Me and him might work up a little deal. I don't know yet. We haven't really talked. But I've got his stripped apart over there. But we're going to try to do something, and we're going to put it on video to see how it goes. So y'all come ride in the dirt with us.